In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Steam games in full screen or windowed mode. Whether you want the most immersive experience or prefer easy multitasking, I'll walk you through a quick and reliable way to control how your games open using Steam's built-in launch options. Start by opening Steam to the home screen. This is the main dashboard you see right after signing in. From here, move to your library. You'll find it in the top navigation. The library lists all your games. If you have a lot, use the search bar to quickly find the title you want to adjust. Next, locate the game you want to change and right-click it. If you're on a trackpad or a device that doesn't have a dedicated right-click, a two-finger click or holding a modifier key while clicking usually brings up the same menu. In that menu, select Properties. This opens a panel for that specific game. You should land on the General tab by default. Look for the field labeled Launch Options. This is where Steam lets you pass commands to the game every time it starts. In the Launch Options box, type one of the following depending on what you want. To force full screen, type full screen. To force a windowed experience, type windowed. Type only one at a time. No quotation marks are needed and capitalization doesn't matter. If you've seen it written with a space, like full screen, try the one-word version instead, as most games recognize full screen. When you're done, simply close the Properties window. There's no separate save button. Now launch the game as usual and Steam will apply your choice automatically. Here's a quick bit of context to help you pick the right mode. Full screen can provide better performance and lower input latency on many systems, which is great for competitive or fast-paced titles. Windowed mode makes it easier to multi-tab, use multiple monitors, or keep an eye on chat, music, or tutorials without minimizing the game. If the setting doesn't seem to take effect, double-check the spelling in the Launch Options field. Some games can override these flags with their own in-game video settings, so you may need to confirm the display mode there as well. Also note that not every game supports the same commands, but full screen and windowed are among the most widely recognized. And that's all you need. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, open Properties, and add either full screen or window to launch options. Simple, quick, and easy to undo whenever you want.